everyone, I am Tanya and welcome to my YouTube channel Tanya Talks. And as the name clearly depicts, yes, I will be talking about everything that's not really said and not really expressed clearly. And everything that's unspoken, it will be heard definitely through this channel. So today, I want to talk about that continuous hustle which keeps on going between staying alone and missing your family at the same time. And this usually happens जब आप एक small town से belong करते हैं. Because after a certain age, yes, आपको step out करना ही पड़ता है in order to get better education, better career opportunities, etc. And yes, it comes with its own list of pros and cons. Of course, it's important. It's important for your growth. It's important for exposure. And आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. You learn actually how to deal with almost every situation on your own. But simultaneously there's also one more thing कि see, there's no debate about it कि there is a generation gap between you and your parents. But as soon as you move out of the house, वो generation gap धीरे धीरे बढ़ता चला जाता है. And after that, what happens is that first thing, you are not able to make them understand about your perspectives. At the same time, you are also not able to understand their point of views. And वहाँ पे क्या होने लगता है? Difference of opinions आने लग जाता है, right? So once you start staying alone and once you have seen a certain kind of growth, once you have seen that now I can do good in my career, in my life, and I require this thing. So it's very difficult for you to go back because now you need growth, you need a certain kind of freedom because now you are used to it. You need a certain kind of exposure. And same goes with your parents. They have been living at that particular place their entire life. So for them to leave everything and come and shift with you is a huge deal, right? And that too when now they know that there are so many difference of opinions. So it's never actually about not having affection towards them. It's never about not caring for each other. It's just about having difference of opinions, right? Which is definitely not wrong in both the cases.